Gamers in Australia, listen up. Sony is increasing the price of its PlayStation Plus service. This online service is crucial for playing games online and accessing other benefits. Starting this month, new subscribers will face higher prices. Existing members have a little more time, but we'll see the changes soon. Let's break down what's happening and how it affects you. PlayStation Plus is like a membership for your PlayStation console. It comes in 3 tiers: Essential, Extra, and Deluxe. Essential lets you play games online with friends. Extra adds a library of downloadable games. Deluxe offers even more, including classic PlayStation games. Each tier had a monthly and yearly payment option. Now those prices are going up. Sony says this is to keep up with the rising cost of providing the service. They want to keep delivering high-quality online gaming experiences. But of course, for gamers, it means digging a little deeper into their pockets. Let's take a closer look at how the PlayStation Plus subscription prices have changed for Australian users. Understanding these changes can help you make informed decisions about your gaming expenses and plan ahead for the coming months. Starting with the Essential tier, the old price was $11.95 per month, or $95.95 if you paid for the whole year up front. This tier is the most basic option, giving you access to online multiplayer and a few monthly games. Now, the new price for Essential is $12.95 monthly, or $102.95 for the yearly plan. That's an increase of $1 per month, or $7 for the year, which can add up over time, especially for long-term subscribers. Moving up to the Extra tier, the previous cost was $18.95 each month, or $169.95 for a full year. This tier includes everything in Essential, plus a larger library of downloadable games. The new price for Extra is now $20.95 per month, or $187.95 annually. That's a $2 monthly increase, and a yearly jump of $18, which is quite significant for those who prefer the expanded game catalog. For the Deluxe tier, which is the highest level and offers the most features, the old price was $21.95 per month, or $196.95 for the year. This tier is aimed at gamers who want access to classic titles and exclusive benefits. The new Deluxe price is now $23.95 monthly, or $214.95 for the yearly plan. That's a $2 increase per month and an $18 jump for the year, making it the most expensive option. When you compare the old and new prices side by side, it's clear that each tier is seeing a noticeable increase, whether you pay monthly or annually. Even small monthly changes can have a big impact over the course of a year. While these price hikes might not seem huge at first glance, they can affect your overall gaming budget, especially if you subscribe to multiple services. It's a good idea to review your options and decide which tier best fits your needs and your wallet. So the new prices for PlayStation Plus officially kicked in for all new subscribers on April 16th, 2025. If you're thinking about joining for the first time, or if you let your membership lapse, you'll be paying the updated rates from that date forward. It's a big change, and it's important to know exactly when it started so you can plan your next move. But hey, if you're already a member, there's actually a bit of good news for you. You're not hit with the new prices right away. Instead, you get a special grace period, which gives you a little breathing room before the higher rates kick in. Your price actually won't change until after June 24th, 2025. That's the key date to remember if you want to keep your costs down for as long as possible. That means, yeah, you've still got some time to lock in the current, lower price. It's like a countdown, and every day counts if you want to avoid paying more. So how do you actually take advantage of this window and save some cash before the deadline hits? Well, it's pretty simple. You just need to extend your subscription before the June 24th deadline. Renewing now means you'll pay the old lower price for as long as you extend. And if you're currently on a monthly plan, it might be a smart idea to consider switching to a yearly subscription at the old rate. That way, you can lock in even more savings and avoid the price hike for a whole year. Honestly, you'll save a significant amount of money in the long run, especially if you're a regular PlayStation Plus user who plans to stick around, so don't wait until the last minute. It's a smart move to act fast, renew your subscription, and make the most of this opportunity before the new prices become unavoidable. It's really important to point out that Sony isn't adding anything new to PlayStation Plus with this price hike. Despite the increase in cost, subscribers won't see any additional features, exclusive games, or special perks being introduced to the service at this time. The core offering remains exactly as it was before. So if you were hoping for some new benefits to justify the higher price, that's not happening right now. The features and benefits of each tier, they're staying exactly the same. Whether you're on Essential, Extra, or Premium, nothing is changing in terms of what you get for your money. All the games, online multiplayer access, and monthly titles are sticking around, but there aren't any upgrades or new incentives being rolled out alongside this price increase. So yeah, you're basically paying more for the same service. For many, this can feel a bit frustrating, especially if you were expecting some kind of improvement or bonus content to come with the higher cost. It's always tough when prices go up, but the value stays the same. And it's understandable if you're feeling a bit let down by this move. And unfortunately, this isn't just happening here in Australia. Gamers in other countries are also seeing similar price hikes, so it's not an isolated event. This is part of a much larger pattern that's affecting PlayStation Plus members all over the world. Sony has actually been steadily raising PlayStation Plus prices in various regions over the past couple of years. From North America to Europe and now Australia, the trend is clear. The cost of staying subscribed is going up for everyone, regardless of where you live. Seems like it's part of a bigger strategy to adjust to changing market conditions, and maybe even fund future investments in the service. Companies often make these decisions to keep up with inflation, rising operational costs, or to prepare for new features down the line, even if those aren't being announced just yet. So, Australian gamers, now you're in the know. It's always good to stay informed about changes like this, especially when it affects your wallet and your gaming experience. Take a moment to weigh your options. Think about extending your subscription at the current rate before the price goes up. And well, game on. Whatever you decide, make sure it works best for you and your gaming needs.